Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda, and today I am so excited to show you a preview of one of our videos from our online fitness program. This program is designed to help you stay fit, improve your cognitive skills, and also have fun along the way. If you would like some more information about the program, click the link in the description below. But don't wait. Our 50% discount is only available until the new year. Get ready. We're gonna have our merengue, basic in place. Here we go, march. Very good. We're gonna go to our basic, go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. We're gonna go forward and back. And back on the spot. Very good. Get ready and basic. Get ready, forward and back. Back on the spot. Very good, guys. Keep it up. Okay, guys, it's a 30-second break. The next dance we are going into is Cha-Cha. We're gonna have a time step, basic, New York, and hand-to-hand. All right, guys, we are gonna start with our time step. Right foot is ready to dance. Get ready, here we go. And 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. And basic, forward, back. And New York, open up. Hand to hand, stepping back. Back to that time step. Basic step. And New York. hand to hand. Back to that time step. Basic. New York. Very good. Another 30-second break. Our next dance is gonna be Samba. We're gonna do basic with the right foot, basic with the left foot, side basic, and whisk. Alrighty, guys. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6 with the right foot, go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1. Get ready. Switch your foot. 1. And to the side. 5, 6, 2, the whisk, go. And back to the basic. And switch. And side. Whisk. And back to the basic. Switch your feet. To the side. To the whisk. Back to the basic. And switch the feet. And side. And whisk. And basic. And switch. And side basic. Whisk. Back to that basic. Switch your feet. And side basic. Very good. All right, guys, another 30-second break. Get ready. Next dance we are going into is salsa. We are going to do basic, side basic, cross basic, and a grapevine. Get ready, grab a drink, breathe in, breathe out. Alrighty, get ready. We start with a basic, and 5, 6, 7, go. To the side. And cross. One more time. Get ready for the grapevine. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And basic. To the side basic. Cross. Repeat. Grapevine, go. And basic. Side. Cross. Do it again. And grapevine, go. And back to that basic. Side. And cross. Do it again. Get ready for the grapevine, go. Basic. Side. Cross. Do it again. Very good. Grapevine, here we go. Breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. Very good, guys. 30-second break. Breathing in through your nose, out of your mouth. Get ready for our next dance, which is bachata. We're gonna do a basic in place, basic step, forward basic, and a box step. Get ready. Let's start with that basic in place. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Boom. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.